Alright guys, so it's day 2 of the build. I'm probably not going to do anything today. I'm so tired. I got my mods, my modding parts for my Xbox. MB Court Discuss DSC 450, brand new. Brand new. 50 square feet of fat mat. 2 kicker DS 650s. 2 pair of them. I got another pair of power base coming, so here's the one I haven't opened. I know it is. It's the only thing I ordered this big, I hope. But we'll open this up. And there, that should be package 1 or package 2. True Type R12s. Alright. Damn, I was hoping for a little Alpine sticker in here, but alright. Accessories. There it is, there's the beast that I've been wanting. Yeah. That thing just destroys my kickers. Brand new. Smell hella bad. Yeah, this box out of here and I'll get you a picture of it. There it is, brand new, Type R12, dual 4. Look at that spider. Stiff. Real stiff. It really ain't that heavy. I mean, maybe about the same as the other thing, but let's get this open. I'm going to make this probably a little bit longer than a normal video because, like I said, I just don't feel like doing anything today. Probably won't do anything the whole week. What the hell is this? But if you guys tell me what this shit is, really don't know. I'm guessing it goes around. Oh, I get it. It's a cover, so you don't. Oh yeah. All right, I'll use that. Sounds pretty beast. Let's see what we got here. Got the banana plug. Jump them. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Now what else? There's supposed to be one other thing. Screw cover, banana plug. Alright, that's it. It's all the accessories coming up in there. Alright, brand new. Badass. I'm loving it. Let's get this little thing open. Yeah, that's better right there. That's me. You guys think of that? Yeah, looks a lot better than that. Hell yeah. That's why I buy shit new. Don't buy shit used. You don't get all the shit. Yeah, that's bad. Alright guys, well, I guess I'll open up, since the other one's just going to be the exact same. It's a bad little fucker right there. Yeah. Expensive little motherfuckers too. But we'll open up these. So you can get a picture of it. I don't think you're gonna be able to. Yeah, you can. Alright. Yeah, I'm putting God. 2 sets of kickers in the back deck. These aren't the 6-inch, these are the 6.5s. I didn't want the 6 inches. Little connectors and terminals and shit. Manual. Now we'll pop this thing open. Actually it pops in half, so there's that. There's that. Bad. I love this. Loving it. thinks I get pretty loud. They awful damn little. But we'll see. Damn, these bitches little and they supposed to take 50 watts? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it'll amaze me. We'll see. But there's one. Not too big. Actually really thin. Shit, look at this. Look at this. Fucking swallowed it. Fucking swallowed it. Alright, well, yeah. Well, guys, this is pretty much it. I'm not gonna make this too long. I won't be able to upload it. So I got shitty connection speed. But, hit me up on Xbox Live for Modded Zombies. OMG space ITZ space TRISTIN. Hit me up. Alright, well, I'm out. Alright, guys, well, it's all unpackaged. Here's my 50 square foot of fat mat. My 4-kicker 6.5s to prove, well, shit, I don't know how I can prove it. Where's the box? DS 650, not 600. Type R12s, brand new, as you can see, box. Banana plugs, rings already on them. I'm keeping one manual for each. I'm gonna keep the cleanest looking manual, so fuck that. Alright, guys, well, I just got back from Campbellsville. I got two 125 amp an hour. Yes, I know they're not sealed. I don't need sealed. I'm sealing off the box. Trunk's already vented, so I'll go ahead and put a fan in there and vent these. So yeah, there you go. They costed me 94, 195 for the two of them. So good deal. Reserve on them's 205 minutes. They are deep cycles. They are brand new. March 2010. So yeah, well, I'm done for the day. This is still day one. Yeah, well, I'll get maybe some back more and maybe a little bit more in tomorrow. I don't have but a couple hours to work tomorrow, so yeah, I'm out.